Hey guys, we normally don't do monthly fire alarm tests, but the last alarm trigger was zucchini. Today I will be setting off one smoke alarm because I remembered years ago when we first got them, Dad got mad at me and took electronics away because it set the smoke alarm off. So I am about to set off one in the basement where it's easy to reach, where I don't have to get the broom. Alright, that's it. We are not setting off any more smoke alarms. We're not allowed to, just one. So whatever fire alarm I choose to press, we're not. So we all know it worked because it just all went off. It all just went off because I pressed one smoke alarm. We don't need to be doing every single one. That's not okay. That's what Dad said. So, yep, we are done. It was just only a test.